Double press side button, open Play Store. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel Technical DHSN. In my channel you will always find informative and interesting videos. So in this video I will teach you how you can open quick any of your selected application with just double press of your mobile side button. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, I want to tell you that in my case I am using Samsung mobile. You can try it on your own mobiles. Let's start the procedure. Open setting. Now scroll down and find advanced features. Tap on it. Now here tap on side key and turn on this button. The selected option will be quick launch camera. Now if I press 2 times my mobile side button, so the camera will appear. So I am just pressing it. As you can see, the cam has been on. Now let's select another app. For that purpose, click on open, or you can select by pressing the setting button. You can select any of your desired application which you want to access quick. So I want to use this one, Play Store. So if I press for 2 times on my mobile side button, so the Play Store will be open. Okay, now I am pressing my mobile side button for 2 times. Let's see if the Play Store is open or no. As you can see, the Play Store has been opened. So with this method you can access quick any of your selected application. You can open it.